Hello, in this audio I want to talk about inclusive education and about the project we have developed for children with special educational needs. Inclusive education in process of ensuring equal access to quality education for children with special educational needs, organizing their educational in general education institution based on the application of personality-oriented teaching methods taking into account the individual peculiarity of educational and cognitive activity of such children. To this aim, we have developed the project Sensory Well, Developing of Sensory Sensation for Children with Special Educational Needs to the educational environment of school. This project is relevant to the development of sensory sensation of children, which is very important of children with SEN. The main tasks of this project are to study the socio-psychological basis of the organization of special integrated classes, inclusive education, to study and establish the unusual individual sensory parameters of children with SEN and their healthy peers, to develop and release a sensory well that would develop people's sensory abilities. Expected results: overcoming difficulties in the education of the sensory sensations of children with SEN, correction of mental functions, cognitive activity, skills of communication of healthy peers with children with SEN, development of the empathy of primary classes pupils. In our opinion, creating an inclusive sensory well will be a powerful tool for expanding the outlook sensory and cognitive development, conducting psychological counseling and rehab. Work of the sensory well will be carrying out in preventive, corrective, and relaxation direction. After all, the feeling is the initial source of all knowledge of man about the world and about yourself. Therefore, we deciding attention of the sensory education of children with SEN. Sensory education develops the entire range of sensation of the children, aims at forming a full-fledged perception of the surrounding reality, serves as the basis for the knowledge of the world, the first degree of which is sensory experience. Sensory development is necessary for a person to master any practical activity. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.